What's going on, YouTube? Jeff coming at ya. So, what has happened to the foxbody? Yeah, well, you guessed it. She's getting a DIY paint job makeover. So, I'm gonna take you guys along a new series of videos here, and I'm gonna show you guys how that you can how to paint your car relatively cheap. You can do this at home in your garage, or if you're fortunate enough like me, and it's just parked right beside my forklift. At work here, I just got it tucked out of the way, and hopefully over the next 5 or 10 videos, I'm going to show you guys how to cheaply paint your car and for it to look half decent and stuff. Yeah, I had ideas of selling the car, but just in the shape it's in right now, sort of the Junkstang look and stuff, I just never get what I think is actually worth for the car. So why not have it look good for now, put a paint job on it, and it sort of ensures that if you ever do need to sell it for financial reasons or whatever, that you get a decent price, because when you have an ugly looking car, you just ain't getting anything. So first things first, what you want to go ahead and do is start pulling off whatever you can. Masking jobs don't always look good. The more you can take off the car, the better. So you can see I've already went ahead, I've removed the tail lights, I've removed the whole spoiler off the car. You can see it's tucked away over there. Okay, so I've removed the spoiler, I've removed the tail lights, I've gone ahead and took off the Mustang LX badge and the 5.0 badge. And I don't even know if that was ever factory. I don't know, it always looked out of place. It was very big and awkward and stuff. And plus, you can see there's some rust back here that we got to deal with. The car had patina rust everywhere, and when I say patina rust, I mean not through just surface rust. You can see over the summer I cleaned it up. This was just with some CLR and stuff, and it cleaned up pretty well, so I'm not worried about the integrity of it. It just sort of flash rusted. That's what it looked like after CLR. That's what it looked like before. So this is all going to clean up really nice. Okay, so started removing everything. I am going to take out the quarter glasses. I am going to take out the window trims. Haven't decided what I'm going to do about the sunroof yet. I'm scared to take it out because the seal is completely shot, but it may just have to come out. The rest of the badges are going to come off. You can see right there, I started taking off the headlights and the bezels. Got the Ford emblem, which was already toast on the front. Got that taken off. I'm probably going to take out the housings as well, because they're starting to show a little bit of age and stuff. Okay. There's more of that patina I was telling you about. This is all going to come out really nice. So other things, like I said, I'm going to remove window trims. I'm going to remove cowls. I'm going to remove wipers. Haven't decided if the nose cone is coming off yet. It may have to, because I'm unsure about how these marker lights come off. But like I said, the more, like, this had a Mako paint job at some time or rather, but this stuff will always peel. If you can't take off those pieces and get in behind there and spray, if you're just masking off or you're just painting over top, that stuff's always gonna peel on you, and that's what has happened throughout this whole car. So yeah, first things first, take off as much stuff as possible. I'm gonna go in here, I'm gonna take out these lenses and stuff. And there's, like I said, there's the spoiler right there. Got some body work. There's not too much actual rust on the car, and the car is pretty straight. There's a couple little dings where I've gotten mad over time and smacked some things in and stuff. But the car is overall straight. Probably because it's always had subframe connectors in it. It's a pretty straight car, but it's got that patina everywhere, and it's got not crap, it's just peeled, it's chipped, it's faded, there's crap everywhere. It's had 2 or 3 different Mako repair jobs over the years and stuff, and everything is just flaking and stuff. And my job is gonna be better than a Mako paint job, that I can assure you, but we're gonna do it on the cheap. I'm still toying with the idea of doing the Tremclad Rust-Oleum paint job and showing you guys that you can wet sand it and buff it and make it look absolutely amazing. That may go that way. I may do the DuPont or Duplicolor paint shop method, the stuff that you buy at Canadian Tire. You can still buy it in the pint form and spray it. This isn't gonna be a rattle can spray job. I have a spray gun, I have a HLVP spray gun, I have an air compressor. This is gonna be proper. I'm gonna sand down the whole car. I'm gonna do body work. We're gonna address some stuff. I'm gonna spray a high build primer on it. We're gonna deck sand that. Maybe wet sand the primer. We're gonna spray it. We're gonna clear it. I'm gonna show you how to, well, we're gonna clear it if I do a single stage paint job. If I end up doing the Rust-Oleum, it'll just be the enamel. But after that, I'm gonna wet sand it and we're gonna buff it, and I'm gonna show you what type of results we can get. Other things I'm gonna take off, I'm gonna go ahead, take off the door handles, the lock cylinders. Those are actually my LMR door handles and lock cylinders, probably the most expensive part on the car. And yeah, so stay tuned, guys. I hope that this video, this series of videos, I hope you guys are going to enjoy this, because this is going to be fun. We're finally going to turn this fast but ugly car into something quite decent. Something we can all be proud of. Something that if we needed to, because, you know, cars can still be investments. If you need to sell it and make some money to pay off some bills, or, you know, put your kids through some type of whatever, you know, it's possible. So like, share, subscribe, hit that little bell button down below, because you're going to be wanting to see all these videos and stuff. Okay, guys? So first things first, I'm going ahead and taking off all the trim. Tomorrow's video, we're going to show you how to start sanding and stuff, which is basic tools that you may or may not have kicking around your house. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon.